Hello everyone, Olga here. Welcome back to SDA House of Refuge. In today's video, we are going to harvest corn. It's corn harvest time. I went down to the crop to inspect the corn, and what I see was birds eating them up. So I decided to harvest them. So here in this video, you'll see I'm maneuvering my way through the cornfield. It's very tall. We are currently in the rainy season in Jamaica, so the area was very bushed up. So I had to weed whack prior to coming down to harvest. You see the wind blowing. It's very windy, raining. So this afternoon, every day we've been getting rain in the afternoon. If you look at the river, you see how the river looks red. That's from the clay dirt. We have clay dirt around us, so that's from the clay dirt washing down into the river, what gives it that red looking color. So currently on the homestead, I have the following fruits that are coming in. Mulberries are coming in, pomegranates are coming in, guava, pineapple, and of course we're harvesting corn. So stay with us as Clifton and I go through, and you see the birds, you see the little black bird, and then the bird, I tell you, say, I eat up my corn. And there's quite a few of them in the corn patch. You hear them? I see Clifton going up the stairs with a basket of corn. This is not an easy walk up. I tell you, this brother is awesome. I mean, going up this step, it's a lot of exercise, and coming down, a lot of exercise. And see how he's just tracking up. You see the birds flying around? Those are the blackbirds I was telling you about. You see them all over. They are the one consuming my corn. So I said, you know what, let me get some of the corn before they eat up all of the corn. So this is what Clifton and I are doing, as Clifton taking up the first load of corn up to the top of the property. And we're going to see what we have harvest today. And I'm going to go through as well and look at, go through the pumpkin patch and see what I can pull from the pumpkin patch. I forgot to mention that I have okra coming up as well. I may have some thyme. The thyme patch is doing very well, as also what else? I may have callaloo, purple callaloo. Sister Inez gave me some callaloo seed, the purple callaloo seed, and I'm telling you, they are so nice. They're a lot easier than the green callaloo, and prepping them, it's a lot easier as well, and they taste just the same. So I am enjoying those purple callaloo. So you'll see a picture of it in the latter part of the video. So once again, thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting our channel. God bless, and Maranatha.